Yes, natural hair is naturally dry. It's nothing to fix. We're not going to buy a new toothpaste every weekend or every 2.5 weeks just to try it out and see. Some things are just what they are. There's no permanent solution. So the fixing of things that are just inherently us, we need to stop doing. If you've ever felt like natural hair is getting more and more complicated, you're not imagining things. Everywhere you look, there's a new label you're supposed to figure out. Things that's supposed to be good for you to know, right? Your porosity, your curl pattern, your density, your protein moisture balance, your elasticity, your length, and then you're supposed to buy a product to fix what's supposedly wrong with your hair. And I get it, these terms can feel empowering at first, like you are finally learning your hair, learning the science behind your hair. But let me ask you this question. Has all of this knowing, all of this knowledge, has it made it easier? Has it made your routine easier? Has it made your hair healthier? Or has it just made you buy product after product, making your product stash bigger and your wash day longer and longer? Because for most of us, especially if you are a busy woman, you've got a family, you've got work, you've got your hobbies, you've got a bunch of things going on for you, these categories start to become distractions. Do you know what I mean? They offer clarity on paper, but confusion in real life. So today I want to shift your focus completely. We're not talking porosity. We're not talking elasticity. We're not talking hair type. We're not talking protein sensitivity or definition or all of the things that we like to talk about. We are talking about you, your capacity, your energy, your life right now, how busy you are. If your routine doesn't match your reality, it doesn't matter what your porosity is. You can have low porosity hair and still miss wash days because you just don't have the time for it. You can have 2C hair, right, and still be overwhelmed by your products because you have way too many. Because the truth is, those things are not the bottleneck, right? Your time is, your energy is, your decision fatigue is the bottleneck. Your plate is already so full and your hair should not be another layer of guilt. So let's stop pretending like 10-step routines are sustainable if you cannot even find 45 minutes for yourself on a Sunday. Let's stop trying to solve problems that aren't really problems. Dry hair, that is normal. All kinky and coily hair types are naturally dry. It's a fact. It's not a crisis. It's not something that you need to fix. It can never go away. You just need a plan that respects what you have. So let's build a routine based on what actually matters, what you can commit to this week or this month or this quarter. Maybe that's pre-pooing one night and then washing your hair the next day because now you can split your wash day across 2 days. Maybe it is using a no rinse conditioner so you can leave it in your hair and you can put your hair in a bun and go about your day when life is busy, or you can extend wash day to every 3 weeks when life is busy. So here's where you begin. Take a week and track how much time you actually have, how much free time. Not just moments when you're not doing anything, but moments where you have the mental energy to take care of your hair without rushing through it or resenting your hair. This may be 30 minutes on a Tuesday. It doesn't have to be the weekend, right? It could be Tuesday night. It might be early Saturday morning before the whole house wakes up. Whatever it is, pick your day and that's your window. Next, look at your hair. What your hair actually needs most often: moisture and protection. Yes, natural hair is naturally dry. It's nothing to fix. However, it is something we need to keep up with. It's like brushing our teeth. We're not going to go buy a new toothpaste every weekend or every 2.5 weeks just to try it out and see. No, our hair is naturally dry. Our teeth need to be brushed every day, twice a day. Some things are just what they are. There's no permanent solution. It's just what it is. So the fixing of things that are just inherently us, we need to stop doing. Now, yes, our hair needs moisture and our hair needs protection. That's it. That's it. Everything else, protein treatments, clarifying washes, even though these things are good, elaborate styles, even though these things are fancy, these are the occasional items. Moisture and protection are our daily or weekly habits that we want to hone. Now, protection doesn't mean putting your hair away for weeks and weeks and weeks. It could be for you. However, protection could just be a satin pillowcase at night, or using your gels for your wash and goes, to get the clumping effect to protect your hair. So build your base routine around that. Now, let's say you have one time a week to do your hair, so you do your hair weekly, then your baseline becomes something like wash and install your style that lasts 7 days. That's a complete routine, and this honors your bandwidth, it honors your capacity, it honors how much time you have for your hair. If you can only wash your hair every 3 weeks, you then need a style or a series of styles that lasts 3 weeks between wash day and wash day. Now, let's talk products. I know that you probably have a basket full of products, maybe even drawers and shelves of products. But here's what I'm asking you to do. Put 80% of those away and choose the core products for your current routine. One shampoo, one conditioner, 1 or 2 or 3 stylers, that's it. Not for forever, just for this season, right now. You don't have to explore new products. The same styling cream you had 6 months ago will still do the job. And if you're still feeling overwhelmed, I'll tell you what I tell my course students. Simplify down to steps, not just products. Yes, simplify your product, but don't just think, what products do I need today? Instead, think, what am I doing this week? What's your capacity? What style are you installing? What products match that style? That's it. Everything else is optional. If you want more structure without the noise, that's exactly what we walk through inside the free course. No quizzes, no code typing, no porosity levels, just a clean plan for your life. Right now, you can sign up, the links below. Then, let's say that your week is chaotic, right? You're behind on work, a kid is sick, your energy is low for whatever reason. We want to be flexible enough to do the barest minimum of our routine when the need arises. You don't need a full wash day every wash day. You don't need a protein mask, 3 new products every wash day. You don't. You just need a plan, and you need the plan to be set in stone yet flexible enough. So create a plan for next week, or for how long you need your hair to last from wash day to wash day. Then create a backup plan for when life is chaotic. Comment below and let me know, what's one hair rule that you've been trying to follow that no longer fits your life, no longer serves you? Your routine doesn't have to be perfect. No, it just needs to work for you today. The woman that you are today, how busy you are today. Thank you for hanging with me. I will catch you in the next one.